Hi students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant and acting as academic advisor of Masterminds from the past 20 years. In this short video, I am going to explain you what is CA and CMA integrated batch which is being offered by Masterminds, and it's first of its kind in CA CMA coaching industry. So do you know that even if you fail in CA Foundation, you can still continue to pursue CA Inter if you have already qualified CMA Foundation. For complete details, please watch this video till the end. So first of all, let me introduce Masterminds to the students who are new to our channel. So Masterminds was established in the year 2002, and this is an incredible initiative by three visionary edupreneurs who themselves qualified CA at a very young age of 21 years. It's me, MSS Prakash, my brother Mohan and my sister-in-law N. Radha. We offer specialized coaching right from MEC, CEC groups and intermediate to CA, CMA final levels with a lion's share of 20,000 admissions per annum. So our students have achieved first rank for 47 times in various courses for which we offer coaching, and our students have bagged cumulative total of 977 All India ranks in all levels of CA CMA courses. To know more about Masterminds, please check a video in the card section as well as description of this video. So let us see what is this video about. For example, if you want to pursue CA Inter alone, then you need to take admission in CA Inter exclusive batch. To know more about CA Inter regular batches, see the card section and description for a video. If you want to pursue CMA Inter alone, then you need to take admission in CMA Inter exclusive batch. So to know more about CMA Inter regular batches, see the card section, description for a video. If you want to pursue both CA and CMA Inter at a time, then you need to watch this video till the end, because you need to take admission in CA and CMA Inter integrated batch. Let us assume you have already qualified CMA Foundation. Now you failed in the recent results of CA Foundation. Now you want to write CMA Inter examinations first, but in future you want to pursue CA Inter also. Then you need to take admission in CA and CMA Inter integrated batch. Before we could proceed further, let us see the fundamental differences between CA Inter and CMA Inter syllabus. Let us look at the papers of CMA Inter and let us also observe where it gets covered in CA Inter. Paper 5, Financial Accounting. So majority of the chapters of this subject gets covered in paper 1, that is Accounting of CA Inter, as well as paper 5, that is Advanced Accounting of CA Inter. Now let us see the paper 6 of CMA Inter, that is Laws and Ethics. Majority chapters of this law subject of CMA Inter gets covered in paper 2 of CA Inter, that is Corporate and Other Laws. Now coming to ethics part of paper 6 in CMA Inter does not get covered in CA Inter, but it will hardly take 2 to 3 hours to teach the ethics part. Paper 7, Direct Taxes, almost gets covered in paper 4 of CA Inter, that is Taxation, which includes income tax and GST. So paper 8, that is Cost Accounting, majority of the areas will get covered in paper 3 of CA Inter, that is Cost and Management Accounting. Now paper 9 of CMA Inter, Operations Management and Strategic Management. Operations Management does not get covered in CA Inter, but Strategic Management of CMA Inter gets covered in CA Inter, which is there in paper 7, Enterprise Information Systems and Strategic Management. Now coming to paper 10, Cost and Management Accounting and Financial Management. So majority of the chapters of Cost and Management Accounting subject will already get covered in paper 3 of CA Inter, that is Cost and Management Accounting. And coming to Financial Management part of paper 10 of CMA Inter, it gets covered in paper 8 of CA Inter, that is Financial Management. Now coming to paper 11, that is Indirect Taxes, 85 to 90% of the syllabus of Indirect Taxes subject of paper 11 of CMA Inter will get covered in GST portion of CA Inter. So remaining areas, few exclusive topics will be there in CMA Inter. Now coming to the last paper of CMA Inter, Company Accounts and Audit. Actually these are two different subjects. So majority chapters of company accounts will get covered in either paper 1 or paper 5 of CA Inter. Now coming to audit, this gets covered in paper 6 of CA Inter, that is auditing and assurance. If you observe carefully, I have highlighted two areas in CMA Inter. One is ethics part, another one is operations management. These two are the only areas in CMA Inter which don't get covered in CA Inter. Now let us see the CA Inter. I have highlighted two areas. One is enterprise information systems. Another one is economics for finance. These two are the subjects which get only covered in CA Inter, but these two subjects are not going to get covered in CMA Inter. In addition to that, there are few exclusive chapters, not subjects, chapters in CMA Inter as well as CA Inter. So, if you join for CA Inter exclusive batch, then the coaching will be 1500 to 1600 hours. If you join for CMA Inter exclusive batch, then the coaching will be for 1400 to 1500 hours. But if you observe carefully, there is only 100 hours of syllabus in CMA Inter which gets exclusively covered for a CA Inter students. That means if you first take coaching for CA Inter, then it is sufficient to take 100 hours of additional coaching to cover CMA Inter examinations also. So let us try to understand this with the help of a small diagram. So if you look at this small diagram, the big circle represents CA Inter coaching and the small circle represents CMA Inter coaching. If you observe carefully, majority of the areas are common in both the courses. This is just 100 hours of syllabus which gets covered exclusively in CMA Inter. Now what about this difference? These are the topics which gets covered exclusively in CA Inter. Now, so can I appear for CA Inter exams without qualifying CA Foundation? Yes, you can. There is an option. Let us assume you failed in the recent results of CA Foundation, but you have already qualified CMA Foundation in January 2022 or earlier attempts. Then you need to appear and qualify both the groups of CMA Inter in December 2022 results. That means you need to first write your CMA Inter examinations to be held in December 2022 and results may get announced in February 3rd week of 2023. Now, you need to register for CA Inter before March 1st of 2023 because you have already qualified both the groups of CMA Inter. You are eligible to register for CA Inter on or before March 1st, 2023. Don't get confused. You are not eligible to directly write the exams. You are just eligible to appear, eligible for doing registration on or before March 1st, 2023. Then you can appear for CA Inter examinations to be held in November 2023. So that means if you have not qualified CA Foundation but qualified CMA Inter, then you can appear for CA Inter examinations after doing registration. This is a shortcut to go for CA Inter. Sir, can I appear for CMA Inter exams without qualifying CMA Foundation? Yes, you can. That facility is also there. Let us assume you failed in CMA Foundation examinations but qualified in CA Foundation examinations in February 2022 or earlier. Now, you need to appear and qualify both the groups of CA Inter in November 2022 and results will be announced in the first week of February 2023. After announcement of results, you will get eligibility to do registration for CMA Inter examinations on or before July 31st. Then you can appear for CMA Inter both groups examinations to be held in December 2023. Luckily, if CA Inter results are declared on or before January 31st, 2023 itself related to November 2022 attempt, then you can do registration for CMA Inter on or before January 31st and you will be eligible to appear for both groups of CMA Inter in June 2023 itself. So it all depends on when the CA Inter results of November 2022 attempt will get declared. Luckily, if they get declared early, then you can write both the groups of CMA Inter in June 2023 itself rather than waiting for December 2023. So through this shortcut, any student can pursue both the courses. That means that is CA Inter as well as CMA Inter. Now the question is, how can we take coaching for both the courses simultaneously? Now let us try to understand CA and CMA Inter integrated batch. This is a unique concept introduced by masterminds in CA CMA coaching industry, and this concept is exclusively available in masterminds, and this has been curated with 20 years of experience. So first we will make the student to sit in CA Inter regular batch. That means you need to sit and listen to the classes as if you are a CA Inter student. You need to listen to all the subjects and all the chapters of CA Inter first, and CA Inter coaching duration will be 8 months for pre-results batch students and 7 months for post-results batch students. After completion of CA Inter syllabus, we will teach you 100 hours of CMA Inter exclusive syllabus in around 10 to 15 days. Now coming to which materials will be provided. So till the completion of CA Inter coaching, you will be provided with all the CA Inter materials, and after completion of CA Inter coaching, we will provide you the materials for 100 hours exclusive syllabus which is there in CMA Inter. Sir, what about weekend exams? You need to initially write just like a CA Inter student. After completion of syllabus, you can write revision exams either as per CA Inter or as per CMA Inter as per your choice. Sir, am I taking any risk in pursuing both the courses at a time? No, you are reducing the risk. You are reducing the risk. When you pursue both the courses simultaneously, in fact, you are reducing the risk, because at least one professional qualification you will have if you do both the courses simultaneously. Let us try to understand some frequently asked questions. Sir, if I join in this batch, can I comfortably appear for CMA Inter exams? Yes, you can, because in this batch, first we will be giving all the coaching of CA Inter. That means majority of the syllabus of CMA Inter will get covered there, and whatever the 100 hours of exclusive topics are there in CMA Inter, those topics will also be covered. So with this knowledge, you can comfortably appear for CMA Inter exams. Sir, if I join in this batch, can I comfortably appear for CA Inter exams? Yes, you can, because we are teaching all the chapters and all the subjects of CA Inter also. So with this knowledge, you can comfortably appear for CA Inter exams also in future. Sir, if I join for CMA Inter exclusive batch in future, can I appear for CA Inter exams on my own? May not be possible, because if you observe this diagram carefully, there are several topics in CA Inter which don't get covered in CMA Inter. If you go and join in CMA Inter exclusive batch, with that knowledge, you may not be able to appear for CA Inter exams. But if you come and join in CA and CM Inter integrated batch, with that knowledge, you can either appear for CA Inter exams or CM Inter exams. If I join in CA Inter exclusive batch, how can I appear for CMA Inter exams in future? In that case, first you will finish off the syllabus of CA Inter as you are taking admission in CA Inter exclusive batch. After that, you need to purchase this 100 hours of classes from our Masterminds online classes app. With that knowledge, you can appear for CMA Inter exams on your own. Here are the branch names in which CA and CMA Inter integrated batch is available. Sir, if I want to join in online coaching, what shall I do? So classes will be telecasted directly from Guntur. For taking admission, you can either come to Guntur or you can visit any of our physical branches, or you can finish entire admission process in online also. For more details on how our CA Inter coaching will be, watch an exclusive video on the same. Look at the cards and description section of this video. Can every student take admission in this batch? Sorry, we will be giving admission into CA and CMA Inter integrated batch only for the students who have failed in CA foundation but qualified in CMA foundation. So here are the details of our physical presence, and here are the details of our online presence. Please like, follow, subscribe and share, and please do install our app with which you can purchase large number of useful courses. If you belong to Android, then install Masterminds online classes app. If you belong to Apple iOS, then install an app called Class Plus and enter the organization code as MZGUN. So these are the resources available in our app. So you can even enjoy some free resources under the section study material, and we are quite happy to share that we are very much nearer to 25,000 downloads in Google Play Store. Sir, is it possible to interact with any of the directors directly? Yes. If it is administrative issue, you can send a mail to Mohan sir mail ID, who is my brother. If it is academic issue, you can send a mail to my mail ID, who takes care of academics. And all the best, my dear students. Just because you have not qualified CA foundation, you need not drop your dreams of pursuing CA Inter. If you have already qualified CMA foundation, you can definitely pursue CA as well as CMA Inter through this unique concept of CA and CMA Inter integrated batch. So please specify your comments in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to give your feedback on this video in the comment section. Thank you.